In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a testimonial slider on Wix. Now, the first thing you'd want to do is to head to the Wix website editor by clicking on the Edit Site button. Once at the editor, you're just going to look for the Add App section on the left side of the screen. Give that a click. And then on the search bar, we're going to look for the app called Testimonials Slider. Right there. So we're just gonna go ahead and add this to site. Click on Agree and Add. And let the installation process go through. So right now, we can see a sample testimonial slider on our front page. If you wish to edit that, you can go ahead and do so by clicking on Settings. So in here, we can manage the testimonials. We can change the order of these testimonials right here. And if you want to edit the specific testimonial, you can go ahead and click on the three dots right beside it. You can either duplicate, remove, or edit them. Now we're going to try to show you what editing looks like. There's the testimonial text right there, the star rating, and the customer's details. If they have a social profile, you can go ahead and add them here. Change the caption, change the photo, and if they have a company info, you can go ahead and add them here as well. So once you're done with those, just click on Save Testimonial, and then click on the Close button. So back here, we can also change the templates, and we can also tinker with some other settings on the layout so it can appear something like a grid. But since we're trying to do a testimonial slider, we're going to stick with the slider option. You can also change the design here if you wish to edit some headings or the caption text, the testimonial text, background color, all of that stuff. And once you're done editing those, just go ahead and close this right here. Now we're going to try to preview how this looks on our web page. We'll give that a second to load in. And as you can see, the slider works really well on our front page. You can add more testimonials if you'd like. Just follow the steps I showed earlier and they should appear right where you want them to be. And that's about it. That's how you create a testimonial slider on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.